Hello Rihan, hope you are well. So I have set up one board in monday.com. So I am going to show you. First of all, I have set up these are folder office. These are 5 folder. So in each folder this is a board. So now I have set up this one board office man. Here these all group like work list, ongoing, productive task, at working on it, stuck task, then some more client, pending, complete. So if I open this first list, so first group, so here task name, assigned task, status, timeline, priority, and then I have add these custom field like due date, product link, then upload file, then show progress, last note section. Like here I put suggestion something. So here task name, this is task name. So I have here I have set up these 10 automation. Like when someone assign task Ayan, like assign to Ayan, so you will get a notification like, "Hi Ayan, someone assigned this task to you, so please check out." So if priority of any task show high, so you will get a notification like the priority of this task is very high, so please check out. And other automation, like here you can see the automation section. Other automation is that this is task status. If I put dummy entry so their status automatically show not started. So I have set up the backend automation, like when someone change their status work list, ongoing, productive, someone if I select complete or going, if I select like this task should be ongoing group, I select this, then this task will be automatically move in ongoing. So if select like this task is complete, then it will automatically move in incomplete group. If select task head, stuck task, client waiting something, then it will move in like uh, in group. Like here you can see automation working, this task will move, has been moved in ongoing ongoing group. So I have set up these automated automation. And the last one, I have set up the board. Like I have attached this just one office man. Like here task status, like completion 96%, working, due date, assign someone, task view like assign one, and ongoing this. Then is calendar, like monthly calendar, even we can filter like week calendar something. And last is task workload. Like here we can see the load of each task. So I at this moment I have set up this and review this, and let me know if you need any changes, anything. If like this is good, then I will move to update every board and groups. So more, I am waiting your feedback, Ryan. Thank you.